Next, question number 8. If alpha beta are the zeros, means roots of the polynomial p of x equal to 3x square minus x minus 4, then product of the roots alpha into beta. Just now we discussed in the previous problem, product of the roots here alpha beta equal to c by a. What is the c here? C is minus 4 by a is 3. Product of the roots alpha beta is equal to c by a. C is minus 4 by a is what? 3. So answer is minus 4 by 3. Option 4 is right answer. Question number 9. If p of x equal to 5x power 7 minus 6x power 5 plus 7x minus 6, then the degree of the polynomial. Degree means here 7. 7 is the degree of the polynomial. So a factor of x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 is, so here factor means it should divide the given function f of x. So here let us find its root. If I substitute x equal to 1, what comes here? 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 1 plus 1. 1 cube is 1 minus 1 square is 1 into 3. 3 plus 1 plus 1. Plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 minus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to 1 satisfies this equation. Therefore x minus 1 is a factor. Answer 4 is right answer. Option 4 is right. Question number 11. The remainder of 3x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 2 when divided by 3x plus 1 is, means I want remainder when this polynomial is divided with 3x plus 1, means 3x equal to minus 1, x equal to minus 1 by 3. So when I substitute x equal to minus 1 by 3 in this polynomial, what will be the remainder? Let us substitute x equal to minus 1 by 3. 3 into, I have to substitute x equal to minus 1 by 3 here, minus 1 by 3 whole cube minus 2 into minus 1 by 3 whole square plus minus 1 by 3 plus 2. We are substituting. So here minus cube means minus 3 cube 27. 3 goes 9 times. So 1 by 9. So here minus 1 by 3 whole square. Minus square means plus. So therefore minus 2 into 1 by 9 plus into minus, minus 1 by 3 plus 2. What is LCM here? 9 is LCM. So here 9 goes 1 time, minus 1. 9 goes 1 time, minus 2. 3 goes 3 times, minus 3. Here 1 is there, 1 goes 9 times, 9 into 2, 18, equal to minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 6. Minus 6 plus 18 by 9. Minus 6 plus 18 means 18 minus 6, 12 by 9. So here 3 goes 3 times, 3 goes 4 times. 4 by 3 is right answer. Option 1. Question number 12. The length of a rectangular dining hall is twice of its breadth. If x represents the breadth of the hall and its area is 5, then the polynomial equation which represents the situation is. Let us read the question again. The length of a rectangular dining hall. We have a dining hall which is in rectangle shape. So this is length, this is breadth. So here the length of a rectangular dining hall is twice of its breadth. X represents breadth. Breadth is x. Length is twice the breadth, means length is equal to 2b, nothing but 2x. Its area. What is the area of a rectangle? Area of a rectangle is length into breadth, nothing but, what is length? Length is 2 times breadth, means 2x, into what is breadth? Breadth equal to x. What is area according to given problem? 5. So this implies 2 into x, x square. 2x square equal to 5. 2x square minus 5 equal to 0 is the relation. So 2x square minus 5, option 2 is right answer. So we are taking a rectangle, its length is L, breadth is denoted by B. Here breadth, x represents its breadth, means B is equal to x and length is equal to 2 times breadth, and 2x. Number 13. The sum of the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros means what? Roots. The sum of the roots of the polynomial. For example, so compare this equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, or the sum of the roots alpha plus beta equal to what? Minus b by a. So therefore here a equal to 1, b equal to 7, minus b by what is b? 7, by a equal to 1 minus 7. So the sum of the zeros means the sum of the roots of the polynomial is alpha plus beta, which is minus b by a, minus 7 by 1 minus 7. Option 2 is right answer. Question number 14. If p of x equal to 2x square plus 3x minus 5, then p of 2 equal to, means in place of x we have to substitute 2. When I substitute 2 here, I have to substitute 2 here. So here 2 into, substitute x equal to 2. 2 square plus 3 into 2 minus 5. 2 square 4, 4 into 2 8 plus 3 into 2 6 minus 5. 8 plus 6 14 minus 5 equal to 9. Option 2 is right answer. Question number 15. If two zeros means two roots of the polynomial x cube minus 5x square plus 6x are 2 and 3, then the third zero is. So here the two roots of the equations, the two roots of the polynomial are 2 and what? 3, means they are alpha and beta. We have to find third root. So here 2 and 3 are roots. Now, so by checking, when I substitute x equal to 0 here, 0 here, minus 5 into 0 plus 0. So option 1, x equal to 0 is the third root. Otherwise we can take x common here, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0, means x equal to 0 and x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. X equal to 0 is a root, x equal to 2 and 3 are other roots. So 2 and 3 are already given, so therefore x equal to 0 is the right answer. Option 1 is right. Question number 16. The value of under root x by y plus 2 plus y by x equal to how much? We have 4 equations. They are almost in roots. Therefore I can write it as root. This can be written as root x by y whole square plus 2 into this can be written as root x by y into root y by x plus this can be written as root y by x whole square. So that is, this is a square plus 2ab plus b square, means a plus b whole square, root x by y plus root y by x whole square. This square and root gets cancelled, we get root x by y plus root y by x. Option 3 is the right answer. Question number 17. Question number 17. Which of the following is a solution for the equation 2 into x plus 3 equal to 18? So here x plus 3 is equal to 18 by 2. 2 multiplies this side and when it comes this side it divides 18. 2 goes how many times? 9 times. X plus 3 equal to 9. X equal to this plus 3 comes this side and becomes minus 3. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. Option 1 is right answer.